Want to start using the Sam's Club shopping app, but not sure how? In this video, I'll walk you through how to download and install the Sam's Club app on your phone. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen for the search bar and tap it. Type Sam's Club and then press the search icon on your keyboard. From the search results, find the Sam's Club app. It should have the familiar Sam's Club logo. Tap on it to open the app's page. Now tap the Install button. Your phone may ask you to confirm or sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Wait for the download and installation to finish. You'll see the progress right on the button. When it's done, the button will change to Open. Tap it, and the Sam's Club app will launch, ready for you to sign in or create an account and start shopping. And that's all it takes to get the Sam's Club app on your device. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most from your favorite shopping apps.